Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Etzin Riser. So I actually upgraded from the Pi Plus. Actually my Pi Plus got damaged, so I actually ordered the Pi Plus during March and it got died this November, so that's a bad thing. You can see this is new Etzin Riser. It has this nice LED display as well. So I was actually using this Pi Plus Riser. I've heard good about Pi Plus and the power packing was amazing when I bought this mining rig in March. But you know, it's not working anymore. Like the lights are coming, but the high OS is showing malfunction. So I tried connecting directly the graphics card to the PCI Express, and it worked, which means this is not working anymore. So I actually ordered. So I thought let's give Etzin a try. Now guess what? I bought this in 1,000 rupees in March, and now this price is like 500. So in the bear market it's like 50% off. So you're getting these for really cheap. But I thought, you know, let's try Etzin. Now this is 750 rupees, but you also get this temperature indicator, which is amazing, and the build quality seems to be good. So you get the USB cable, which goes to this adapter, and this adapter will go to the PCI Express slot. So let's do this setup as of now. I will unplug the cable. I will connect the PCI Express adapter to this USB cable. The build quality seems to be nice of the Etzin, but there is no packaging. Like the packaging was poor to my opinion. So there you have this PCI Express. So now I will put my graphics card on it. First of all, I need to clean my mining rig, so I will use my blower and then I'm going to clean the mining rig. I'm going to set up this and we're going to test very soon. So guys, I've connected the riser. So this is the Etzin riser. You can see it has this nice display as well, and the temperature is also changing. But the problem is this is actually a replacement unit. So the one which I unboxed in this video, this one, was not booting at all. So I ordered a replacement. The Amazon gave me replacement without taking the old one. They said old one won't be collected, but they will give me replacement. So this is the replaced Etzin Riser, but this is also not working. Like sometimes it boots, sometimes it doesn't. So right now it's just giving me this star. Sometimes it boots up, mining starts, and then it just crashes. So right now I'm clueless whether there's an issue with my unit or with this riser. Actually yesterday the old riser which I have, which was the Pi Plus riser, was actually working. So because this was not working, I connected this back and this worked flawlessly for the 15 hours. So if there was a problem with my unit, probably this won't work either. If this is working, if I'm connecting the graphics card directly to the motherboard, that is also working. But this riser is not just working. Now the build quality of riser is very good, and if you compare these risers, they are exactly the same. You can see the amount of capacitors is almost the same as this. I mean, this just have this display additionally. Like this, everything is similar. In fact, on this board, the model number which says a PCI to PCI number 9, that also matches with this one. So I'm not sure whether this is Etzin's fault or what is this. So let me know in comments down below if you know anything about it. Right now I'm putting this back, connecting my old riser, and probably I need to find some other solution to this. So if you find some solution, let us know in the comments down below. So guys, I connected my old riser back. So this is my Pi Plus riser, and that started working. So you can see right now it's mining at 354 mega hash on Caspar or K heavy hash on nice hash, of course. So this means that there's no problem with my graphics card or my system. It's just that this Etzin riser was not working. So let me know if you know anything about it, because I love the display part of this. The build quality also seems to be good, and this Pi Plus has complaints that it dies in 9 months or 1 year or something like that. So because it was not working earlier, so I ordered the new one and it started working now. Okay, there you have it. This is mining life. It's bear market. We have no income right now, but still we are mining. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.